How to hire the best tutor on the EducateWiser platform. Getting good grades is associated with the right coaching, and searching for a skilled coach matching your study requirements is a laborious task. However, we have made it easy for you to choose the best tutor in 3 easy steps. Evaluate tutors' profiles. Take a quick start by adding your teaching requirements to the EducateWiser search banner. The platform will provide you with plenty of relevant tutors' profiles. Evaluate carefully the tutor's lecture delivery and teaching techniques, and ask yourself if the lecture videos were helpful in clearing your concepts. Further reviews posted by previous students in the tutor's profile would support you more in the profile evaluation. Select. Once your evaluation process is completed, by now you should have a few tutors' profiles in hand fulfilling your primary requirements. The platform recommends considering only 100% completed tutors' profiles. Send quick message to your selected tutors with platform-free messaging facility and ask for more queries if you have any. Communicating with multiple tutors would allow you to understand more about tutor coaching expertise. Hire. Finally, when you have selected a tutor matching your study requirements and you both agree on mutual terms, you can then begin tutoring lessons without any intervention from the platform. Here you need to act cautiously before hiring someone for home tuition. You must ask tutors to provide at least 3 references. The platform advises personally visiting tutor referees for complete satisfaction. EducateWiser only provides you with details of the tutors and institutes. We urge you to look at each possible aspect before hiring a tutor. Best wishes on your teacher search. For any further assistance or queries, write to us at info@educatewiser.com.